Hi everybody, I'm Bubba and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a T-Rex character. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're going to move over here and we're going to draw the T-Rex right here in the center of the paper. So make sure you give yourself some space. We're going to do a curved line like this. And we're going to go all the way down and then curve back out like that. Perfect. Next, we're going to come back to the top of the line and draw a big rounded shape like this and stop. Perfect. Next, let's come back in and draw. It's almost like a straight line, but there's a little bit of a curve. We want to make sure we get that curved. Let's do another one, another little curved line underneath. And then we'll come down like this and then back in all the way and close off on that tail like that. Perfect. Let's go to the back and draw some bumpy triangles for his back. And let's move to the top and draw two eyes on top of the T-Rex. Like that. Perfect. Let's fill in the pupils. Add a couple of lines underneath the eyes and some eyebrows up above. Now let's move into the mouth of the T-Rex and draw some jagged teeth. Then some on the bottom. Let's add a tongue, a squiggly line, and then back in like that. Perfect. Since this T-Rex looks like he's screaming a little bit, let's add some spit, like he was spitting out with his tongue like that. Perfect, that looks great. Next, let's add some arms, but it's a T-Rex, so they have to be little arms. We'll do two lines like that, another two going up, and then some jagged lines for hands. Let's copy that same thing and do it over on this side. Two lines going out, two lines going up, and then some jagged lines for the hands. Let's move down here to the bottom and do some feet. Two curved lines there, two curved lines right next to it, and some jagged lines for feet. Then on this side, jagged lines for feet. Now let's finish off with his belly. We'll do a rounded line and then a couple rounded lines going this way. Nice, our T-Rex is looking really good right now. Now let's finish by doing some details around the body. Just a couple circles and dots. And maybe our T-Rex needs some hair, so we'll do some squiggly hair up top and a couple around the body. Perfect. And there we have a T-Rex character. Yeah! Good job. I'm so proud of you. You're a really good artist. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.